Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard, the AI chatbot. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to type here bard.google.com. Alright, after typing that, we will be redirected to this particular page. Alright, now it says here there is a limitation. We have to be mindful with that. Now to start a chat, basically you can just enter a prompt here. For example, we're just going to type here, what can Google Bard do? And then let's click enter. All right, there you go. So it says here it's a large language model, also known as conversational AI or chatbot, trained to be informative and comprehensive. Now, these are some things that basically Google Bard can do. We have answer questions in an informative way, generate different creative text formats like poems, codes, scripts, musical pieces, etc., translate languages, write different kinds of creative content. We already have it here as well, brainstorm ideas, get a quick, easy to understand summary of more complex topics. So I've actually done this one earlier, for example, here. So basically, there was an article that I have typed here, and I think you should see this in another tutorial in this channel. Now let's go back here, and then we have also other examples that Google Bard has been used for, writing essays, marketing materials, brainstorming new ideas, translating documents, writing code, generating creative content, answering questions about a variety of topics. Now, there's so many things that you can use it. Now, say for example, if you're satisfied with this, all you have to do is just click this one. Now, if you're not satisfied though, you can click this one and then it will be tagged as bad response. Now, what that will do is basically you can give this one a feedback. So providing a feedback will definitely help improve Google Bard. Now, you can also click this one in order to shorten the answer, or if you want to have it longer, simpler, more casual, or more professional. All right, so I'm just going to go back here. And then another thing that we are going to do here is share and export. You can share this one. You can export it to documents or basically in Gmail. Now, other thing that you can do is you can click this one and then rename this. So depending on you, you can rename this, for example, a date, or depends on what this conversation is all about. Say, for example, I'm going to rename this one a birthday party idea because I'll be asking something later. All right, so that's the name. Now, the next question that I'm going to try is this one. Can you suggest a theme and concept for my baby's birthday party? My baby is a boy and we are from the Philippines. So I'm just going to hit enter. All right, this one. Here are some Filipino themed first birthday party. And we have the first one, which is Fiesta. This is classic Filipino theme. We also have Barrio, which is traditional Filipino neighborhoods. Likha means creativity and artistry. We have Nature. Yeah, I think nature is going to be really good, especially for summer. And we have Heroes. Yeah, Heroes is getting very popular these days. Now, congratulations. That is how you're going to use Google Bard AI chatbot.